Guys, are you looking for some tools to help improve your Thai pronunciation or a tool to help you practice reading Thai script? If it is a yes, close this video now. It's not what you should do, because today I have some brilliant tools for you and you can thank me later. Check it out. Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce you some tools to help you improve your Thai pronunciation with instant feedback. I think some of you might know this tool already, but maybe you never use this function. It's great, so I would like you to take advantage of this great free tool. Okay, to practice the pronunciation, I recommend that you read a text. It could be a text from your book or anything from the internet. What you need is 1. Your text. Number 2, you need to go to the website thai-notes.com. So thai-notes.com. I will put the link to this website in the description. It is a great website, so you should check it out. There are many tools, but the tool that we will use today is the tool right here, down here, Thai to IPA tool, right here. Thai to IPA tool. Because we can turn the text Thai script into Romanized script, and also turn here such a font into normal font, the font that you can read easier. Okay, and the third thing is you need Google document. So here, you just need the Google document. That's it, 3 things. Alright, now I would like to show you step by step how to use these tools to help improve your Thai pronunciation. First step, just find the text that you want to read. If it's a book, then you skip these steps. But if you want to read something from the internet, so you find your text, for example, on this website, it's a text with difficult fonts. You want to read this text. You copy this text. And then you go to thai-notes.com. The tool you need to use is Thai to IPA tool. Then paste. What you get is Thai script in different font, which is easy to read, or the Romanized script in IPA system. It's great. Next, you open Google document. And you go to tools right here and select voice typing. Now, important, you have to change the language to Thai because you want to read Thai. If you cannot read Thai yet, you just need to remember, because they write in Thai script. You scroll down until the end. And it's right here. It's the kind of, let's say, the 10th from the bottom. Or try to remember this Thai script, and it means Thai. You click it, you select Thai language. And the next step is you should arrange your window on your laptop or computer. If you use laptop or computer, let's say you should use 2 windows by separate them. So let's say here I would put this on the right, the Google Docs on the right, and my script on the left. But you can also read your Thai script or use this website on tablet or on your mobile phone. But the Google document you need to use on the laptop or computer, because I could not find the voice typing function on the application when I use on tablet or mobile phone. Okay, so I recommend you to use Google document, use voice typing function on the laptop or computer. And last step, you just need to click the microphone here on Google Document and start to read. Okay, and now I will show you how it works. First, I will read it like Thai native, so it should be accurate. And second, I will read with a wrong tone, but correct vowels. And third, I will read with kind of right tone and mix with some word with wrong tone. I will fake it, but wrong vowels, and we will see how it works, how effective this tool is. Number one, I will read it like Thai native speaker. ถ้าอยากเรียนภาษาเพื่อสอบผ่านการวัดระดับ การเข้าคอร์สติวภาษา อ่านตำรา และทำแบบฝึกหัดเยอะๆ เป็นวิธีที่ได้ผลดี Alright. Oops. Alright, not อะไร Okay, see? I think everything is correct because I'm a Thai native speaker. Now, let's see if I would read the same text but wrong tone with correct vowels. I do my best. Okay, wrong tone. ถ้าอยากเรียนภาษาเพื่อสอบผ่านการวัดระดับ การเข้าคอร์สติวภาษา อ่านตำรา และทำแบบฝึกหัดเยอะๆ เป็นวิธีที่ได้ผลดี Sorry guys for such a pronunciation. I just want to test. Okay? I have no purpose to mock the pronunciation of foreigner or anything. It's just the purpose of education. Okay? So let's see. There's some mistake. ถ้าอยากเรียนภาษาเพื่อสอบผ่านการวัดระดับ right here. They got like เข้าคอร์ส Q Plaza. หาและทำแบบฝึกหัดเยอะๆ Okay, something wrong here. But it's still okay. So when you speak with the wrong tone but still right vowels, it's quite okay. So that means it will not help you so much if you want to improve your tone. And last, I will try to read it with the right tone but wrong vowels, just to test if beginner who start to practice reading, how it works if beginners read with the wrong vowel. Would it be able to recognize a mistake, or they just guess from the context and make it right? Alright, let's start. ถ้าอยากเรียนภาษาเพื่อสอบผ่านการวัดระดับ การเข้าคอร์สติวภาษา อ่านตำรา และทำแบบฝึกหัดเยอะๆ เป็นวิธีที่ได้ผลดี Let's have a look. Okay, see? This time when I speak with the right tone but wrong vowels, it's totally different. Look what I got. ถ้าอยากเรียนภาษาเพื่อสอบผ่านการวัดประดิษฐ์ การเข้าคอร์สติวภาษา อ่านตำราและ I mean they got what I pronounce, so I think it's quite good to practice for beginner if you want to make sure that you read the right pronunciation. And you can also check from the Romanized script if your pronunciation is correct, especially some difficult words, some loan words. And these are tools that I think they are useful for you, but of course it's not perfect, but I would say it's good enough, especially for a beginner who just start to learn how to read Thai script, okay, or even intermediate who still has a Thai pronunciation issue. So this will really help. So try it out and come back and write what you think. Write your experience in the comments, so maybe other people would try it as well. But as you can see, unfortunately, this will not help to fix your Thai tone issue, because when I pronounce with the wrong tone, it still like changes to the right word because they guess from the context. But actually, this is like in real life, like when you speak with the wrong tone, Thai people could understand because of the context. So it's still okay, when you speak with the wrong tone. But when you speak with the wrong vowel, short to long, long to short, or totally vowel, that causes a real problem. So these two will help you to improve this issue. So that's all for today. You go try it out and come back and write a comment and tell me how you like it. Thank you so much and see you in the next video ค่ะ